The old factory radio in your dashboard is a relic from a different era. It is a clunky block of plastic that barely understands what your smartphone is capable of doing. Most of us have moved on from stacks of CDs melting in the glove box years ago, yet we still stare at that empty disk slot every single time we drive. If you are ready to reclaim your dashboard without draining your savings, there is a specific digital media receiver from JVC that changes the game by stripping away the baggage of the past. This unit does not have a CD player at all. It is a bold move that some might find scary, but it makes the internal components much smaller. Because of that, the device is remarkably shallow. This leaves plenty of room for all those messy wires that usually get crushed or tangled during a standard installation. It is a modern hub for everything your phone can do. It handles Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calls with total ease. One of the most convenient parts is that it lets two phones stay connected at the same time. If you share a vehicle with a partner, you will not have to fight over who gets to sync up every single time you swap seats. They also included a feature called Streaming DJ. This allows up to 5 people to pair their devices at once. It turns a boring road trip into a democratic playlist battle where anyone in the car can jump in and play the next track without waiting to reconnect. To keep your call sounding professional, there is an external microphone included in the box. This is a huge upgrade over those tiny microphones built into a faceplate. It makes a massive difference when you are driving at highway speeds with wind noise howling outside. On the audio side, this is not just a basic volume knob with a few presets. It features a 13-band graphic equalizer. You can shape the sound profile to fit your specific taste. It even offers time alignment technology. This is a high-end tool that adjusts exactly when the sound hits your ears from each individual speaker. It makes the music feel like it is centered right in front of your face instead of coming from down by your floorboards. You also get high-pass and low-pass filters to keep your speakers from distorting when the bass gets heavy. When it comes time to actually put this thing in your car, the process is surprisingly simple. Always start by pulling that negative battery cable first. You do not want a stray spark ruining your day or your sensitive car electronics. Using a vehicle-specific harness is the smartest move you can make. It keeps you from cutting into your factory wiring. You just match the colors, click the adapters together, and you are nearly done. Because the unit is so short, you will not have to struggle to tuck the wires away in the back. Before you snap all the plastic trim back into place, turn the key and test every function. Check the radio reception. Make sure your phone pairs instantly and plays through the speakers. Test a phone call to see if that external mic is positioned in the right spot. Once you know it works, slide it into the mounting sleeve and lock it down. It is a fast way to make an old car feel like a brand new machine. The sound quality boost alone is worth the effort, especially if you take a few minutes to dive into those deep audio settings. This upgrade turns a standard commute into a high-fidelity experience without needing a professional shop. It is all about bringing modern convenience and crisp sound back to the driver's seat where it belongs,